Are you ready to take control of your health and unlock your full potential? Healthy Temple has created 3 powerful ebooks to help you lose weight, fuel your body, and make smarter food choices. First, we have How to Lose Weight While Taking Ozempic. This ultimate guide walks you through how to combine Ozempic with intermittent fasting, clean eating, and tailored workouts to maximize results. Whether you're just starting or need guidance along the way, this book will help you break through plateaus and achieve sustainable weight loss. Let's talk about the healthiest foods to eat while taking Ozempic. This guide is packed with practical meal ideas, high-fiber vegetables, lean proteins, and gut-friendly probiotics to help you make the most of your journey. Eating the right foods can supercharge your weight loss, improve digestion, and keep you energized. Last but not least is the Healthy Temple Dictionary. Ever felt confused by food labels, hidden ingredients, or marketing tricks? This guide decodes the mystery behind good versus bad ingredients, empowering you to make better food choices every day. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your health, you deserve the best. These ebooks are not just affordable, they're priceless when it comes to transforming your health. Click the links below to grab your copies today and start building the healthiest version of you.